Good morning, guys. So today we're not doing any installs or anything. Just watched it. We are actually going to head over to one of our teammates' friend's house for a little cookout. It's just gonna be a few of us, but it should be cool. The struggles of having a one driveway entrance, I gotta pull this car out to pull that one in, so go ahead and get this going.
Are you gonna try to readjust it?
No, it's
Yeah. Yeah. What's up?
What up? Good to see y'all.
Well, that's crooked.
What's up, man?
He's got some camber going on.
He was in the mirror, he's like, yeah, it looks good. And then, oh wait, it was crooked.
Yeah, the A was crooked. What did you guys do individually? Or no?
Huh?
Was it letter by letter?
No.
Oh no, damn.
Looked like it, huh?
It was leaning this way, huh?
We cut out the pieces and then just try to put them on.
We'll keep the middle line there for a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, the line's fine. The lines look fine.
Yeah, we'll
Where's AJ when you need him?
God, man, can you believe this lineup? Sick.
Is it on the stop?
Bro, chill, man. You got you drive a Nissan Maxima. Be proud of it.
Yeah, exactly. Don't mess with my Altima, all right?
Oh, it's Altima. My bad.
It's a two-door conversion.
Okay. Wait, Altimas came in 2 doors.
Oh, did they really?
Yeah.
No, I didn't know that.
How's it going, man?
Come in.
What's up with your tent, man?
One thing at a time. One thing at a time. Do you see the front? I already fixed it. Do you see it?
Did you do this yourself?
Oh yeah, the headlight. No. This thing, I bought it like that.
Dang. See, that's what happens when you let me do it.
What's up, Mark?
Oh, go through there? Yeah, I came to get my car.
Hey, what's your car doing here?
I don't know. These wheels, though. Huh? You see the difference?
I know, but I want HQ.
The girth?
I want gritty. I want logo.
Damn.
I like these ones.
Yeah, the wheels. Yeah. So nice. Where you going? Come here. Sorry.
I like you, babe.
I know.
Are you guys ready? Downstairs and eat. Let's eat.
Oh, okay.
Connor, don't do that.
Cars and people.
He took down earlier. He's fine, but he's okay.
I mean, now, they're welcome to jump if you want to put a mattress out there for them.
Connor, don't jump.
Tâm hung.
There's a mattress right there. Pet, pet.
Connor, I said don't jump. That's it. That's one.
Hey, that's ping pong. That's not ping pong. No, cool. They have chairs at the...
I like my alcohol cold.
I'm gonna go home. Okay. You got it, Dee. That's how I do.
Let me out of the way.
I would say, you guys should come and visit and show. I only have a 700 square foot apartment.
It's good. The seat looks so good.
It's so clean. Golly, dude. So nice. R32 GTR. We got a Supra, GTR, GTR, R33, M3. Walk around up here. We got F80. These wheels remind me of my old setup. Same color combination, except obviously mine were fully gold all the way around. Oof. This is nice. The only thing I'm not a fan of the older GTRs are the front bumpers, except that these, the newer ones, they look way more aggressive. Got an NSX. That's 2000. My piece. Get a Type R.
Crashing the pine on the marble floor. Yeah, put up that sign I read love and joy. Yeah, I want more. Yeah, she want more. Ornaments world to the flashing lights. She only will hit to a certain song. Her channel is orange like flannel thong. Come tag along, come tag along. Crash, love lost in a man. Look left, tiptoe to the fan. Scream, take off in the jam. Skid out, crash now. Got a chance. 15 on the blue man. Brain dance with a finger on the trigger. 8 chance if we playing on the bill. Same tan if you standing on the pillar.
Set it and ride. We took it deep down in the decline. We took a true stand, set it and ride.
Yeah, then they got the old man black. Minutes with a 4-5 patch. Leather with a gold chain rack. Tempted by my own black. Won't catch her with an all gold mask. Cause she ain't with running away. Opposite of playing cool. Feet up on the 80 dash. Whip them off into the pool. Give him signs to play a fool. Cause she is the queen. She kinda got the admit there's a reach. Follow her lead. Live in the system to dye your head green. Part of my ease. Buy you relief. Fish out the water. I'm dying slowly. I guess I will kick it when summer is eve. No dirt, no more sweat. I be treading lightly. You gotta be patient so you can mind me. Peace.
Set it and ride. We took it deep down in the decline. We took a true stand, set it and ride.
So guys, if you have made it to the point of this video, thank you for watching this far. And the purpose of me making this clip is to tell you guys that she is making me sell my car. Just kidding. So, wanted to give you guys an update on the wide body. So I checked, and a couple days ago it was showing that it was actually on its way from Chicago, and that was on Saturday. I'm not sure if they work on Sunday, but just by estimating, even it doesn't say when it's gonna be here, but I think it's gonna be here by the time that you guys are watching this video. It's probably gonna be arriving today or maybe the day after. The only thing is that I am gonna be delaying the process of showing you guys how it actually looks, because I do have to work on the garage. So I've been postponing that because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with the flooring, and now I think
he doesn't have to make the garage look nice to put on the wide body kit.
But I need good lighting, and I don't have
Lights
lighting
on the wall.
So I have to order some light fixtures that I saw. I'm actually going to be ordering them from Upset's Garage, and I think it's probably the best option. I guess it'll provide the best lighting at a decent price. So those are going to be taking a little while, but once I clear out the garage, I might not even have to wait until I actually get the lights installed. So I'll just do the mock-up if I can during the daylight, then that way you guys can see how it looks. And then if you guys are interested in getting the kit, then I'm gonna be trying to get a discount code for you guys. So for anybody that's interested in getting it, then I will post it in that video once I kind of figure out what that code's gonna be. But that's all I have for the updates. I think I'm just gonna be I'm getting close to figuring out what I want to do with the car. So we'll just kind of discuss that later on in the videos. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.